So on this image, I want to add a lens flare to it. So I actually downloaded this cool lens flare image from Google. So I'm just going to drag and drop it on top of my picture. And I'm going to actually make this be the top layer so it overlays everything else. I'm going to press Command T and resize it so it's a little bit bigger. And I want the lens flare to kind of come in something like this, like it was the sun. And then I'm going to place this layer right here. And then next, I'm going to go here to blending mode, and then you can see how it works with the different blending modes. So for example, with lighten or screen, it blends in pretty well. So I'm going to select screen, maybe make it a little bit even bigger. And you can see how it added like really cool lens flare effect to it. Now if I want to soften the edges of this, I can just use my eraser tool, make the hardness lower, and you can see if I turn it into a smart object, I can kind of take out parts where I don't want it to have it. And boom, that is how simple it is. I just added a cool lens flare to the image and made it a lot more exciting in my opinion. Another thing I quickly want to go over is the adjustments. So if I want to, for example, make myself a little bit more contrasty or brighter on this image, I'm going to click on this layer that I want to adjust it. And then I can choose any of these different adjustments. So you can change the hue or saturation of it, exposure, vibrance, anything like that. So I'm just going to create a curve here and create an S-curve to make it a little bit brighter and more contrasty at the same time. And you can see how this adjusts layers that are under it. So I can on and off it and see how it changes the contrast of the whole image. But if I only wanted to adjust one layer that is under it, I can right click on it, create clipping mask, and you can see now it only adjusts my face and my masked out self. Now I'm going to go over blending options really quickly as well. So select the layer that you want to change the blending options of, and this is a place where you can do a bunch of cool stuff with it. Like you can change the stroke of it, and here you can make the stroke any size. You can also do like different bevel and embossing here as well to make it look like 3D kind of stuff. I'm not gonna go super deep into it, but I want you to play around with it and check it out for yourself.